Welcome to another exciting episode of Reading Reels! Are you ready to show everyone what you're learning in school? Then let's get started. You know them, you love them. Now get ready to say them loud and proud. Letter sounds.
Ah, oh, oi, ow, ooh.
You're doing such an amazing job learning to read that Alfie has a bonus feature to show you. And here it is.
A Cold Wind in the City. The author is Robert E. Slavin. The illustrator is Devin Bolden. People turn their collars up and cover up their faces when wind comes roaring down the streets of crowded city places. The wind sends trash and paper flying through the air. It sends all the umbrellas spinning everywhere. When biting cold is in the wind, no coat can keep you warm. The wind finds ways to get to you, no matter how you turn. A breeze too strong for flying kites, a breeze too cold for fun. A winter wind in city streets not loved by anyone. Yet even in the strongest gale, there's a happy side. If you are warm at home or school and watching from inside.
The howling of a wolf can sound strange and frightening, especially on a dark, cold winter night. But howling is just a wolf's way of calling the other wolves in his pack together. A wolf pack has about 7 to 30 animals. It's a family made up of a male and female wolf and their young. Each pack keeps to a territory which they mark with scent to warn other wolves away. Within their territory, wolves use their sharp eyes, ears, and noses to hunt caribou, moose, sheep, and smaller animals. Wolves range from the forests of southern Alaska to the far northern tundra. That's the grassy, treeless high ground near the Arctic Ocean. Northern Alaska is one of the toughest, coldest places on Earth. In the winter, temperatures can sink to minus 30 degrees Fahrenheit. Between November and January, there is no sunlight at all. It's dark 24 hours a day. Do wolves remind you of dogs? That's because dogs evolved from wolves about 135,000 years ago. For generations, the Eskimo people of Alaska have used dogs to pull heavy loads across the snow. Sled dogs can work for 12 straight hours or longer without stopping, without even eating. Can you think of anything you could do for 12 hours without stopping? The annual Iditarod race from Anchorage to Nome, Alaska, celebrates the partnership between humans and their hard-working dogs.
And thank you, boys and girls, for tuning in today.
Until next time, remember, reading right!